Yeah. Goddamn, goddamn. Yeah. Yeah. Look, hey, you got that heat? Boy, I came to kill the game, you ain't gotta ask twice. If you ain't ready for the fame, get up on my lane, nigga, this the fast life. I'm tryna cop a couple chains in the diamond ring, shining like a flashlight, and have them saying, damn, that's nice. I ain't never seen nothing that bright, like that's right. I know you heard about the name, you ain't gotta act like it. Besides, I'm worried about the deals, making hella sales, tryna get the cash right. I wanna eat the type of meals niggas probably still couldn't get at half price, and buy a crib up in the hills for a couple mil. Did it with my steel, niggas better act right beside me. If it's drama that you can't find me, niggas said they so you can't buy me. I ain't never getting on my knees, I don't want friends or colleagues. Why the fuck you worry about what I eat? If a nigga hungry, come try me. I got seafood and Chinese. I serve him like it's nothing till I'm stunting overseas. Bitch, stop frontin', ho, you know you can't put nothing over me. I'm the hottest fucking youngin', they be bumping my releases. You gon' see this wavy flow gon' make them seize. Goddamn, 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 goddamn.